Santa brought you a bike.
Oh, this one?
Go ahead. Do you like that? Hi. Do you like that?
Yay, Ricky!
You got stickers, and turn that over. You didn't even get to see. What's that? What's that? A snow globe, a Cinderella snow globe.
Oh, that's so cool.
Okay, turn around so Sissy can see. Sit on the other side, honey.
Yeah, sorry. It's like this feels different.
Good girl. Cheese. What's that?
I don't know.
A slinky.
No! No, Lucy! These are all my stuff.
Really?
Cinderella jelly beans.
Yeah.
What's inside your stocking? You got more in your
What's
stocking.
in your stocking, babe?
So slow and powerful.
What's that?
A Barbie. A bit new Barbie.
Ooh, ballerina Barbie.
Yeah.
That's so cute.
You're welcome. You're welcome. I love you. But that's from Santa Claus.
Yeah.
There's more in there.
Okay.
Need help?
I got some. I'm gonna beat it.
There's more.
No!
Lucy or Olivia.
Okay, let's see.
I don't know what is it.
We'll open it up and find out. What is that?
A pink quilt. A brand new quilt.
New friend.
No, it's lipstick. That's a lipstick
What's it?
It looks
For
like
your-
a crayon.
for your lips.
For your lips. Oh, it's